I discussed this with you that you will have 0 in the center. Towards the right side, we will have positive numbers. Towards the left, you will have negative numbers. And if you have to compare at any time, अगर आपको किसी भी टाइम पे दो नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना है, suppose you have to compare -3 and you have to compare -1. Out of these two, which one is on the right?
Minus.
This is on the right and this is on the left.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So the number on the right is bigger. The number on the right will always be bigger and the number on the left will be smaller. So this is something you need to remember when you're comparing two integers. There is a question, the exercise also. Yes, just remember this. Think of the numbers. Okay, I'll just take one more example. For example, if you had to compare, say, 12 and -75.
12 is bigger.
Because 12 would be on this side. इधर आगे जाके right side पे आपको 12 मिलेगा. आप जब left की तरफ जाओगे तो यहाँ पे आपको -75 मिलेगा. Because 12 is on the right, so 12 will be bigger. And what if it was -12 and -75?
-12 is greater.
-12 will be bigger, right? So keep that in mind. And after this, there was one more thing which I wanted to discuss with you, which was the last slide here. After this combination of signs, absolute value of an integer. आपके पास exercise में questions आएंगे where you have to measure distance between two objects. हो सकता है वो distance positive side पे हो, हो सकता है वो distances negative side पे हो. But when you measure distance, what we will do is we will always take it in the positive way. Distance हमेशा positive लिया जाता है and for that we consider the absolute value of an integer. So absolute value से हमें क्या मिलेगा? Absolute value of an integer will give us the numerical value of an integer. Numerical value का मतलब ये होगा कि if we have an integer और हम उसकी absolute value लिखेंगे तो उसमें से सिर्फ नंबर मिलेगा हमें, साइन इग्नोर हो जाएगा. दिस मीन्स साइन ऑफ द इंटीजर इज इग्नोर्ड. दिस इज व्हाट
मैम समझ नहीं आई, कट कट के आ रही थी मैम, कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम थी.
Absolute value of an integer means when we want to measure distance. So this is something you want to remember. Absolute value use कब करनी है? पहली बार यूज करनी है जब हमें डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है. जब हम डिस्टेंस मेजर करेंगे तो हम सिर्फ नंबर से कंसर्न है, इंटीजर में जो नंबर प्रेजेंट है, साइन इग्नोर करना है हमें. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, इसका सिंबल ये है, दीज आर टू वर्टिकल लाइंस. वर्टिकल लाइंस है, ये स्टैंडिंग लाइंस होती हैं जैसे उस तरह से. सो वी हैव टू वर्टिकल लाइंस. जिस भी वैल्यू की आप एब्सोल्यूट मेजर देखना चाहते हो, let us say I want to write down the absolute value for 42. So what I will do is I'm going to put two standing lines around it. So इसके साथ यहाँ पे भी एक standing line आ जाएगी, एक right side पे standing line आ जाएगी. लेकिन इसका जब आंसर आएगा तो इसमें से सिर्फ नंबर बाहर आएगा, जो साइन होगा वो डिलीट हो जाएगा, सिर्फ नंबर बाहर आएगा. So you can look at the example here.
मैम,
yes.
मैम जो ये दो सिंबल्स हैं, तो मैम जो भी इसमें माइनस का कोई भी नंबर होगा तो मैम वो पॉजिटिव के नंबर में बदल जाएगा, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में.
एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू का मीनिंग ही ये होता है बेटा. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू मींस वी आर ओनली कंसीडर्ड विद द नंबर.
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
यस अक्षत.
मैम इसमें हम ये भी देखते हैं कि जैसे उसमें 2 था, इसमें नीचे वाले में -2 है, तो -2 ने ज्यादा जगह ली है इसलिए -2 ग्रेटर. मैम ऐसे करेंगे?
It has nothing to do with smaller or greater. Only thing is whenever we are using this symbol, जब ये symbol use करना है, this symbol is for absolute value. और जब ये symbol use होगा तो जैसे ब्रैकेट ओपन करते हैं, तो जब ये symbol आपने रिमूव करना है तो अंदर से सिर्फ आपके पास नंबर बाहर आएगा. You will only keep the number, the sign will disappear. All right. So something else is, Jodh beta, I will be discussing this while we continue with the topic. So after this, we have this, that absolute value of an integer is always positive. There are a few things you want to remember, that absolute value is distance. Distance is always positive. So that's why absolute value is always positive. जब भी आप absolute value निकालोगे, इस तरफ जब left hand side पे मैंने लिखा है, I am trying to find out the absolute value. और absolute value जब हम लिखेंगे, अंदर चाहे positive value हो, चाहे negative value हो, you can see. ये consider these as walls. ये जो vertical lines है ना, ये walls हैं. Walls के अंदर जैसा भी number होगा, उसका आंसर जो आएगा वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव आएगा. आंसर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. दिस इज व्हाट एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज. यू विल नो व्हेन वी यूज इट इन द क्वेश्चंस. अब हम जब क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तब आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि मैं क्यों ऐसे बोल रही थी. राइट नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज. So let's just open the book here. Exercise 1.1, it's on page number 4. Page number 4 of your textbooks. So if you have seen the syllabus that I have sent to you, you would know that question number 1 is deleted. Question number 1 is not in your syllabus now. So we are starting from question number 2. Please ensure that each one of you goes through the syllabus and marks in their books the topics or the questions which have been deleted. So question number 2 right here is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were these. So there was a person who took a quiz. उसके 5 rounds थे. 5 rounds में उसको ये score मिले हैं. 25 in the first round, -5 in the second round, -10 in the third round, 15 in the fourth round, 10 in the fifth round. What was his total at the end? So how do we find out the total?
We will add.
We will add. So let's write down. This is exercise 1.1, page number 4. Question number 1 is not in syllabus. So question number 2. So we have Jack's scores in 5 rounds. So the scores are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. And we have to find out the total score. So we are going to put plus sign between them. All of the numbers, 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15. You can avoid the brackets here if you want. In this case, you can simply write down 15. So 15 plus 10. And now the first step will be to open the brackets.
मैम
Yes.
इसके साथ ये प्लस का साइन क्यों लग गया सबके साथ?
Total means.
ओके मैम.
तो इन सभी के बीच में जहां जहां पे कॉमास थे वहां पे बीच में प्लस आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे प्लस लग जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Right now we are going to solve. The first thing I want to do is जहां जहां पे दो साइंस आ रहे हैं आपको उनको कंबाइन करना है. आपको रूल्स याद है? You have written the rules for combination. Yes, you have written the
Yes,
rules.
ma'am.
You can take a look from there, and if you remember, you can just use those. Plus and minus combined become minus. Over here also it will become minus 10. Then we can solve. And now this is a question like the ones you did last year, if you remember. Now you can either solve from left to right, or you can combine the positive numbers together, negative numbers together, and then solve. There are two options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the positive numbers here. So if you pick the positive numbers from here, this is a positive number, this is a positive number, and this is a positive number. So I'm taking these 25, 15, and 10 together, and I am keeping the negative numbers together. So if you want to write down for yourself, you can note down that these are positive numbers, positive integers, and over here we have the negative numbers. And the rules, yes.
मैम जो ये पॉजिटिव नंबर है इनको हम ब्लू से कर लें और जो नेगेटिव नंबर है इनको ब्लैक से कर लें.
Beta, this is, I'm changing colors just to show you. You can use same color. You can write down with pencil if you want. Underline करके आप pencil से लिख लो.
Ma'am, the answer is 35.
That's right. Now these will be added. Positive numbers will be added. Negative numbers will be added. So over here we have 50, and these two when added will be minus 15. So now you can solve this. 50 minus 15. So 50 minus
35.
this will be 35. This is your answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Is it done, Achyut?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, by the time rest of the students, I would like to take a look. I would like you to take a look at question number 9. We are going to do question number 9 after this. जो in between वाले questions हैं वो उसके बाद करेंगे. So after this, you can write down that question number 3 to question number 6 will be done after question number 9. Question number 7 is not in syllabus. And we will do question number 9 first, and then we will get back to these questions.
मैम 8
8 बेटा इसके बाद में, 8 भी इसके बाद में करेंगे. सिर्फ from this exercise, question number 1, question number 7 and question number 10 are deleted. So if you want to write down, I'll just write down from this exercise. You have to delete question number 1, question 4, sorry, question number 7 and 10.
I'm done.
So these questions are to be deleted. All right. So the next question that we have is question number 9. Question number 9 is on the next page. You have to compare the values given. So you have to use the sign of greater than, less than, or equals to in the box to make the statements true. So there is an expression on left side, there is an expression on right side. First thing we want to do is we want to solve. We want to solve, and you will solve both the sides. इसका आंसर निकालोगे आप और आप इसका आंसर निकालोगे, फिर आप कंपेयर करोगे. You have to do all parts this way. You have to solve first and then you have to compare. There should be single number on each side. So that's what we are going to do now. Let's start. You should note down this in your notebooks. So we are doing question number 9. We have first part -8 plus -4, and you have to compare it with -8 minus -4. So I'm going to solve. This will be step number 1. Solve on both sides. So let's open the brackets. -8. So over here now you have to combine the signs. Those signs इकट्ठे आ गए. This will become -4. What are you going to do here now? 8 is negative, 4 is negative. What am I supposed to do with them?
Plus.
Plus.
Add.
So this will be 12. So this will be 12 with the minus sign. And on the right side, let's open the brackets. -8 as it is. Combine minus and minus.
Plus
This
4.
will become
Minus
plus
4.
plus 4. And now we have answer is -4. That's right, because 8 is negative and 4 is positive. We have opposite signs. We will subtract and the answer will be -4. Now we have step number 2. You have to compare. So -12 to be compared with -4. Think of the number line. Number line imagine karo. कौन सा
-4 is big. -4 is bigger.
That's right, -4 is bigger. This is how you have to do these questions. Let's do part B. -3 plus 7 minus 19. There is a bracket here. And you have to compare this with 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Now let us do the first step. We are going to solve. Let's open the brackets. अब ज्यादा numbers है यहाँ पे ऊपर 2 numbers थे. In this part there are more numbers. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to combine the numbers. Negative इकट्ठे कर लो. -3 minus 19 and plus 7 अलग हो जाएगा. Now solve. So this becomes -22 plus 7, and over here you get -15. Now solving the other side, combine the signs, combine plus minus. Now, can anyone tell me what can you say about 15? What type of in number it is? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
So these are similar. So 15 अकेला रह गया, -8 -9 इकट्ठे हो गए. So ये बन जाएंगे -17 together. And now we subtract again, we get -2.
-17.
Now we have to compare -15 with -2.
-2.
-2 is bigger. I'm going to give you the remaining parts as homework. I will send the answers in the evening. You will solve these on your own and check them with the answers that I send. All right? I want you to try these on your own. And if your answer doesn't match with my answer, you need to ask what's wrong in your work. All right? If anyone is noting down, please let me know. I will wait. Otherwise, I will discuss next question. Okay. Rest of the students, take a look at question number 3 now. All right. Question number 3. It's a problem sum now. So at Srinagar, they are talking about a place. The temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So this is the temperature on Monday. And further they are saying that it dropped. Dropped means
It got
decreased.
less.
Decreased or got less or reduced by 2 degrees. So decrease will be shown by minus. Decrease will be shown by minus sign. And then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Monday को -5 था, फिर कम हो गया by 2 degrees. What will be the temperature on Tuesday? कम होने के बाद.
-3. No. -7.
Yes, -5 से 2. Yes, you have to go back by 2 degrees. -5 से आपको 2 degrees पीछे जाना है, right? And whatever was the temperature on Tuesday, उसके बाद अगले दिन क्या हुआ? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means increase. Rose means
3 degrees.
and this will be shown by plus. तो पहले हम माइनस करेंगे, कम करेंगे टेम्परेचर, पहले 2 डिग्रीज कम हो जाएगा, आंसर हमारा फिर क्या करेंगे हम 4 डिग्रीज से इंक्रीज करेंगे. सो इट विल बी डन इन 2 स्टेप्स. देयर विल बी 2 आंसर्स, टेम्परेचर ऑन ट्यूसडे, टेम्परेचर ऑन वेडनेसडे. लेट्स राइट डाउन इन आवर नोटबुक्स. So this is question number 3. Temperature on Monday was 5 degrees Celsius. So decrease in temperature, I'm just using short. Yes.
मैम
Yes.
वहाँ -5 डिग्रीज नहीं था
मैम
मंडे को
-5 था
Sorry.
मंडे.
Okay. So this is the temperature on Monday, -5 degrees Celsius. Then there was a decrease in temperature on Tuesday. So इसके बाद the temperature on Tuesday. How to find out? -5 -2. I'm not writing the units while calculation. Calculation के time पे मैं units नहीं लिख रही हूँ. So this will be -7. Then with the answer, write down your units. This was your first step. हमने पहले क्या किया है? Decrease किया है. Decrease has been shown by -2. And now we have step number 2. There was increase in temperature on Wednesday, and this increase was 4 degrees Celsius. So therefore, the temperature on Wednesday
-3 degrees.
-7 plus 4. This will be -3 degrees Celsius. And now you can see the decrease has been shown with, sorry, the increase has been shown with plus sign. Shall we move on? चलें next question पे?
Wait. हम 2 minutes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gagan.
मैम डिक्रीज पे टेम्परेचर कम नहीं होगा.
बेटा देखो -5 से हम और पीछे चले गए ना. अगर आप नंबर लाइन पे शो करते तो सपोज -5 यहाँ था. जब मैंने पीछे जाना है तो मैं इस तरफ जाऊंगी, तो 1 डिग्री पीछे जाएंगे -6 हो जाएगा. 2 डिग्री पीछे जाएंगे तो हम यहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे. कम हो गया ये. इधर हमारी वैल्यूज लेस होती हैं, इधर मोर होती हैं.
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
यस.
डन मैम.
मैम यहाँ 4 डिग्री टेम्परेचर कैसे आया? मैम वो तो -1 डिग्री आंसर, क्योंकि 5 डिग्री से लेस देन 4 डिग्री.
बेटा नहीं 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 नहीं, आप मंडे से कंसिडर कर रहे हो. मंडे के बाद ट्यूसडे आया. ट्यूसडे को टेम्परेचर इतना था. ट्यूसडे के बाद हम वेडनेसडे पे जाएंगे.
मैम तो ट्यूसडे को -7 डिग्री था, उससे 4 का तो भी फिर -3 डिग्री.
बेटा माइनस
इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर.
you can better see simply if you ever have confusion, always think of the number line. तो number line पे आपके पास इस तरह से values हैं. Okay, this is how you have the values on the number line. अब आपको -7 से आगे जाना है 4 degrees. So 1 degree increase करेंगे, इधर हमारा more होगा और इधर हमारा less होगा. हम मोर करना चाहते हैं. 1 degrees, 2 degrees, 3 degrees and this is 4 degrees. कहाँ पहुंच गए?
-3 degree.
वही आंसर आया है.
Okay.
Yeah.
मैं
All right. So let's look at the next question that we have. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above sea level. So a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above sea level. So whatever, this is the sea level. Sea level means जहाँ पे आप, yes. So above the sea level, जब आपके पास होगा above the sea level, it will be shown with plus sign. तो आपका ये प्लेन देखो ऊपर है, इट इज अबव द सी लेवल. तो ये वाली वैल्यू आपका डिस्टेंस हो गया. ये यहां से कितनी दूर है? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सी लेवल, दिस इज द सी लेवल एंड दिस इज द प्लेन हियर. इन दोनों के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है? 5,000 meters. एंड आफ्टर दिस दे आर सेइंग देयर इज अ सबमरीन फ्लोटिंग 1200 meters बिलो द सी लेवल. तो बिलो के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? माइनस साइन. And as you can see, this is the submarine over here. They have given you a picture also. Submarine नीचे है sea level से, right? And can anyone tell me what is the distance between these two, the sea level and the submarine?
5,000 plus 1,200.
सिर्फ नहीं, आप plane और submarine बता रहे हो.
-1200 -1200
That's the, बेटा देखो मैंने अभी आपको एक चीज बताई थी, जब हमने distance लिखना है हमने positive लिखना है. अगर हम डिस्टेंस देख रहे हैं, बी वेरी अटेंटिव फॉर दिस वन. जब भी हमने डिस्टेंस देखना है हमने डायरेक्शन नहीं कंसिडर करनी. क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. जो दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे प्लेन और सबमरीन के बीच में डिस्टेंस बताना है, इन दोनों चीजों के बीच में. तो ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है? टू सी दैट आई विल नॉट लुक एट द डायरेक्शंस. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल गोइंग टू कंसिडर द RM, Sahajpreet, Harjot, your answers are actually incorrect. Your answers are incorrect because whenever you will take distance, you will not take the signs. मैंने अभी absolute value discuss की थी आपसे. So जब भी आपके पास distance का question आएगा, आपने हमेशा वो question absolute value के साथ करना है. I want you to write down for yourself here that this question will be done using absolute value. So underline this, distance. So we will be using absolute value. You want to write this in your notebooks or mark in your books. Use absolute value for distance. Abhideep, your answer is correct. Gurleen, your answer is correct. So if you've written this, we are going to now write in the notebooks.
Ma'am, 2 minutes लगा.
No, Lovepreet, this is not the answer. Palak, your answer is correct. I'll just, yes.
आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जो ये 5,000 है और ये 5,000 और ये जो नीचे वाली सबमरीन का डिस्टेंस है वो माइनस में, तो उसको पॉजिटिव में करके लिखेंगे.
Yes. And for that, I'm not going to change the signs on my own. What I will do is I will use absolute value. I'm going to take the help of absolute value. So I'll just show you how you have to write down. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a picture here just for our convenience. So I'm just going to draw a picture here showing the submarine and the plane. So the plane is here. This is the position of the plane. This is the sea level.
बनाना है.
हाँ जी. And this is the submarine. So sea level means इसके नीचे पानी है. यहाँ पे पानी है नीचे. प्लेन कितनी हाइट पे है 5000 मीटर्स और सबमरीन कितनी डेप्थ पे है? यस हरजोत बेटा, जब भी डिस्टेंस का क्वेश्चन आएगा तब हमने एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू यूज करनी है. भव्या, नॉट, दैट्स नॉट द आंसर. हरसिमरन, सहज, रणवीर, खुशनूर, योर आंसर्स आर करेक्ट.
नेक्स्ट क्लास का टाइम हो गया.
I know. Your class will be over. We shall continue it next week. All right?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.